Yes, yes. Now we can start.
Yeah,
Hi. Good evening.
good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm well. Thank you for asking. What about you? How are you doing?
Yeah, I am good.
Okay, I think it's our first meeting. Would you like to describe something about yourself?
Okay, why not? First, I would like to thank you so much, ma'am. You have given me this opportunity. So, my name is Raza. I am from Bihar and I am pharmacy student. If you talk about my hobbies, I like doing exercise and related to physical activities.
So you
So
are
that's it.
a SSC student.
No,
I
no,
mean,
no. Pharmacy.
oh, pharmacy. Okay, okay, thank you. Yeah, it's my turn. My name is English Nayak. You can call me English. I am from Odisha, and my education, I have completed my bachelor degree. Uh, and nowadays, I teach the elementary school students at my home. That's all about me.
Yeah, you are teacher.
Yes,
I'm asking you, you are teacher.
yes, I am a private teacher. I teach at my home.
Okay, you teach at your home. Which subject do you teach?
I teach all subject.
All subject. Okay. You live in Odisha.
Yes, I live in Odisha.
Okay. I have completed my education from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. It's close to Odisha.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
yes, do you have question to ask me?
no, no, no. First you ask me, then I can ask.
Okay, so why you want to learn English? Why you want to be fluent in this language?
Okay, in this language. Due to my friend only for I have learned this language.
For your friend?
I have learned English due to my friend.
Okay, that's good. So when did you start to learn this language?
Around 6 months before.
6 months before. So how are you feeling now?
Now I am feeling very well because I have like a good potential. I don't feel any hesitation if I go anywhere.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just a second.
Okay, okay.
Can you see me right? Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you, but only for your face.
Ah, yes, yes. Uh, in my place, electricity has gone, so it's not possible to go outside because my climate is not good. It's raining in my
Okay,
side.
okay. There is raining, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Thank you. Okay, just a second. Yes. Do you have some question to ask me?
No, I don't have any question. Okay,
Okay, I
yes.
have some. Yeah.
Okay, first you ask. Ask.
Okay. So, what motivates you to learn this language?
Yes, I have told you due to my friend. One time I visited my friend home and I told him let's go to learn English. And then he told me no, we cannot speak English in Bihar because in Bihar English is not spoken. So if you want to speak English, we should go other state. Then we can speak English. Then at that time I decided to speak English, not other place. Even I have learned English in my room.
Yeah. I have talked with many people from Bihar that speak very well English. So why are you saying like Bihar people cannot speak English now? Bihar is growing very well in education.
Yeah, but he doesn't understand about this thing. He has a negative thing.
Okay, so what do you do for improve your English?
I don't do anything. Only for I speak English at my home.
Are you a YouTuber? You have YouTube channel?
No, I don't have.
Okay. How did you find this group?
One time I have visited on YouTube. Then I was watching related to English content. Then I got one ma'am. Then I sent her message, ma'am, I would like to talk to you. Then he she gave me one education. Then he told me, okay, if you want to join this application, not application, this group, would you join? Then I have joined it group.
When did you join?
Before 4 to 6 months ago, but usually I don't use this group.
Yeah, that's why I have never seen your and your message, so I asked you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Actually, I don't have much question to ask. If you have, then we can you can it will be good if you ask me some questions.
Yeah, I can ask you first. When did you start learning English?
I started more than 1.5 month 1.5 month ago. But I did not have consistency. So if I'll talk about my consistency, I got my fluency in 6 months.
Okay, you got admission in any English institute?
No, not the institute. I just I took subscription on Cambly, Clapingo, and
Okay.
Englishyaari.
So what do you think about Clapingo and other application? Because that application is very expensive.
Yeah, it was. It was very expensive, and still it's very expensive. And when I started to learn this language, at the time I did not have this type of connection like a Skype application to communicate with and different people to improve my English. So uh, yeah, for communicate, it's costly, but I improved my confidence. I overcome my fear, my hesitation, and it is good. I got so many experience and I learned many things from those applications.
Mm. But we can speak English at home because English is meant to speak. Doesn't matter you
I
have
know.
partner or not.
Yes, I know that. When and you need a confidence. I didn't have. My
But
confidence level was
no,
zero.
but I couldn't purchase any application and any partner. I wanted. I should have had a partner. Then I could speak English. But when I couldn't get any partner, then I started speaking at my home like alone.
Yes, yes. Also, I do, but at the time I did not know anything, and I know that conversation. I got so many good experience from conversation. Like this conversation that it's not easy to talk through the video call. Uh, I faced this problem. For me, it is good. I paid so many money, but I got so many experience.
Uh, how much time do you give at your English?
I think 1 hour.
1 hour is enough for you.
1 hour is not enough, but I have some other work, so I can't get much time. Sometimes 1 hour, sometimes no.
Do you know when I started learning English with myself, I used to give every day 4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours. Oh my God.
Yeah. That's why today I am able to speak English because I didn't have any English partner. I didn't get admission any English institute. I didn't purchase any subscription, and now I don't have any English partner. But now I'm able to speak English only for with
But
my own
yeah,
support.
you have sinus. Still, you have sinus.
No, no, no. I don't feel shy anywhere.
No, no, your eye just saying still you have sinus.
Oh no.
Okay, okay, that's good. If you don't have, then it is good. Uh, okay. So, Do you have any more questions? Yeah, we can drop here.
Okay. One thing. When did you start your YouTube channel?
I started in December 2022.
In this December. How many subscribers do you have?
I got 1.3334. Yeah, 1.3K subscriber.
That do you upload video only for related to English and other
Yes, yes.
language?
Only English conversation videos.
Okay. And it seems that you are told, ma'am, I would like to talk to you.
I mean, I could not get.
You are told, like, ma'am, I would like to talk to you. How to connect?
Uh, Still, I mean, what are you asking? I really, I cannot catch.
I'm asking you. You have YouTube channel. Whenever do you upload any video, then you are asked, ma'am, I would like to talk to you. How to connect?
Ma'am, I would like to talk to you. You are asking me this question.
No, no, no. I'm asking you. You upload YouTube. Okay. Whenever any conversation, then I am asking you. You are told, like, ma'am, I would like to talk to you. How to connect and how to join?
Okay. You can mail me you can mail me on my email. Then I'll send you a link. Then we can connect like this.
Uh, it happens only for
Yeah.
YouTubers.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. This idea is very good for learning English.
Yes. Yes. Many people are paying so many money for learning this language.
Yeah,
So yes.
a
Yes.
lot of
It
person
is
want
good.
to. Yeah, a lot of person want to learn English, but they don't have much money to invest in English. So that's why they want to talk to any person.
Yes. You're absolutely right. Okay, thank you for your time and thank you to connect with me. Thanks a lot.
Okay, okay, bye, bye, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.